So we're in the Groruddalen Valley, and a subset of this valley, we are going to try out autonomous vehicles. In this subset of the valley, it's around 22 square kilometers. It's 500 kilometers of roads. 80,000 people live here. We are really trying to use autonomous vehicles to create a new service. And the reason we're here and inside the garage is because we have visitors from all of Europe through the ULTIMO Consortium, 23 partners, approximately 50 people, that for the first time are now looking at our vehicles that we have here.
Well, I think one important role of the advisory board actually is to be able to link the project to different other initiatives going on throughout Europe or even in the US, to see what's going on in these projects, to make links, maybe even facilitate that people interconnect with each other and learn from each other, that things don't need to get developed twice or three times, and also as the conditions in the different test areas are so diverse. For example, with snow here in Oslo, I think there's a lot that knowledge that also can be transferred between ongoing projects and also ongoing industry initiatives, that it is very important to kind of spread the network as widely as possible, and that's really where the advisory board can help.